It busted him wide open. He's intent on leaving a mark on his opponent. Kidding me? What a match! He's putting that weapon to good use here. No doubt. As long as he's got that thing, he's in the driver's seat. A sharp kick wearing down his opponent. He's just brutalizing his opponent with that table. Wow, great reversal. He got victory in mind for sure. You gotta be careful when you're going up there. A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? He puts the boot to his opponent. What a fierce kick. He slipped out of that one. And he takes his opponent down with the bulldog. Oh, disconnects. Bleeding all over the place. This could be free right here. He's had enough. This could be it. I don't like the looks of this. He hits the broad splash, crashing down on his opponent's torso. And that's a stiff kick. Look out, look out, look out. Oh, man! He's going in for the kill. Oh, there's the jaw break. Oh, man, what impact did that suplex? Here's the pin. This could be it. Beautiful German suplex. Nice reversal. He's taking a little time to give his opponent a piece of his mind. He was one step ahead on that one. Spear, spear. Oh, beautiful senton. There's the cover. Can he do it? Oh, wow. He just stole this guy's finisher. That takes some guts. The DDT driving his opponent. Oh, dear Lord, what a punch. Two on the mat. Shoulders down. I don't believe it. This one's over.
He's confused.
And he's not feeling too threatened right about now. The tide could turn. Look at up. And his opponent wanted to take him out.
Boxing match went one in the
That elbow, sharp kick wearing down his opponent.
we had
What an impact from the knee.
right now, but we're gonna have a lot
He's
more.
working the fundamentals there.
Are we gonna have a lot more videos?
He's intent on leaving a mark on his opponent. There's the bulldog.
Hey,
That kick rocked him.
Jamal, are we gonna have a lot more videos?
He puts the boot to his opponent.
Hey, We're gonna have a lot more videos. I gotta move.
I have the utmost respect for that because of it. It's nothing flashy, but
One in the
it's
middle
so
of the ring,
simple.
one in the top, one of Don and Cole. He's pretty good.
except for the fact that you haven't gotten motion sickness. Good luck walking after that one. He's a defender leaving the ball in his opponent. Look out, here! He puts the boot to his opponent. Look out, look out, look out! Oh, man! He's going for a pin! This could be it! What a devastating extra. The most frustrating thing in the world is when you want to keep fighting, but you know you ain't got nothing left. Look at this. No fear on the face of this superstar. Oh, dear Lord, what a flat line. And how much force, how much impact was delivered there. Nice reversal. A sharp elbow drop. A sharp kick wearing down his opponent. And he hits the DDT. Just planting, just driving the head to the floor. And he takes his opponent down with the bulldog.
Spear. How are you doing?
Spear.
Do it, hurry.
And he goes for the neck break. Whoa, look out!
Hey, dude, if he would have been in here, he could have been a spear. I could have been an RKO.
Anyone sees Star. He's taking a little time to give his opponent a piece of his mind. Looks like he decided to grab a weapon from under the ring. Oh, vicious. Oh, look at that. He's treating like a stuffed pig. He's showing absolutely no respect for his opponent. The senton connects. Oh, the punch connects. That kick rocker. What a vicious speed. Uh-oh, here it comes. Oh, this could be free right here. 1, 2, 3. The referee is calling for the bell. The match is over.